And welcome back. Second half action now. There will be an added piece to this year's PFJL season opener, as there will now be 2 matches instead of 1, along with the El Clasico, which features Arnett Gardens and Waterhouse. There will also be the finals rematch between Mount Pleasant and Cavalier. When the PFJL came up with the El Clasico last season, the question was asked as to why the Premier League champions were not involved. Well, they will now have their day in the sun as well. While Arnett Gardens host Waterhouse on Heroes Day on October 16, the 2023 champions Mount Pleasant will take on Cavalier at Drax Hall a day earlier in the Powerade Finals rematch.
We will be adding another initiative to the football calendar. So fans will now be treated to 2 high-energy pre-season football games to kick-start the local season. And with 4 of the most sought-after football teams in the region, it is expected to be pandemonium.
The El Clasico was created to match rival clubs Arnett Gardens and Waterhouse based on their huge fan support. The rivalry doesn't seem as intense as previous years, but both camps say it is still alive and well.
It's a rivalry, and I mean, it's embedded. I mean, looking on before now, I mean, there's always Waterhouse and there's always Arnett Garden, and the rivalry stemmed from way back, even before these kids are born, and it still lives in the club and still lives in the community. Whenever Arnett Gardens play, no matter where the spectrum Waterhouse is at Arnett Garden is, whenever the 2 teams come about, there's always something to watch.
It's a rivalry, will never go away. You know what I mean? I've been there as a player, as a coach now. There's no different feelings, you know what I mean, because it's two community that close to each other, and you know what I mean, in football wise, there's a lot that each team look forward to, and now we have something definitely to play for in a pre-season practice game.
It's a title that Arnett Gardens will be hoping to hold on to, having beaten Waterhouse last season.
We have to keep the title at our home. The game is at our home as well, and if we could master winning titles, it doesn't matter the significance of the title, but we need titles, and if we can win the first title for the season at the moment El Clasico, that will enhance each player going into the season, knowing that they're champions already of something.
The winners of the Boom El Clasico and the Powerade Finals rematch will take home $500,000 each, while the losers will pocket $300,000.